So hey guys, today I'm going to show you that how can you actually log out of your Claude Code account using CLI. So firstly, we will move in our command prompt and just enter our Claude account. Okay, yes, I trust the folder. Now you can see that I have successfully logged in. Now what you have to do is you have to just type /logout. This will log you out from your current account. Now if you want to log in again, just type Claude here. Okay, this one. Now you can just do the whole setup again and go like again. Just log in with your Anthropic console account. So yeah, here you have to just authorize this. And now what you have to do is you can just now return to your actual console, that is your CMD, and then just hit enter. Here you can see some security notes again. So yeah, this is the basic setup which we have done earlier. Yes, I trust this folder. Now you can use your Claude again like normally. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.